Liz Janot here of SUVs.com, back with another 2-minute review, and this week we're taking a look at the new 2023 Range Rover Sport, and I want to make sure I thank Jaguar Land Rover of Cherry Hill for having me by. The 2023 new Range Rover Sport boasts a taut, muscular stance. Its dramatic proportions and short overhangs are complemented by the large, available 23-inch wheels. The flush door handles and stealth-like front grille help it to be more aerodynamic. And the slim, premium LED lighting is downright impressive. The new Range Rover Sport's interior is beautiful, and it features a cockpit-like driving position. There are gorgeous leather materials, and the sculpted seats allow you to sink into comfort. There's lots of chrome detailing too. There are advanced Meridian sound systems available, and a standard panoramic roof helps the Range Rover Sport feel more spacious. For the rear seat passengers, there's more legroom and knee room. You have a 13.1-inch Pivi Pro curved center touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a 13.7-inch digital driver display. And there's the 3D surround camera system to help you park. There's a mild hybrid offered with the new Range Rover Sport that has 2 different outputs, and then there's the plug-in hybrid of the autobiography, the P440e. It's a powertrain Land Rover seems most excited about, as it offers up to 51 miles of all-electric driving. It also makes 434 horsepower. The first edition model that was initially available features a V8 twin-turbo that makes 523 horsepower. An all-electric Range Rover Sport is also on the way. Dynamic air suspension, intelligent all-wheel drive, terrain response, and more ensure dynamic capability. Recap and rating time now of this luxurious SUV. Exterior is muscular, modern, 9.5. Interior is stunning, 9.5. Performance is impressive, another 9.5. Fuel economy will rate an 8, and overall value I'll rate an 8.5. And that results in SUVs.com deal score of 90 out of 100. And of course, I want to know what you guys think, so be sure to leave those comments below.